Vietnam cities are booming. But with all that growth comes a challenge: designing comfortable homes in tight spaces. Today, we journey to Nha Trang City to explore SkyGarden House, a stunning example of architecture that embraces nature while maximizing functionality. Imagine squeezing a whole house onto a plot of land that's not even square. That was the architect's task for SkyGarden House. Despite the limitations, they dreamed of a home bathed in natural light and brimming with greenery. Step inside SkyGarden House, and you'll be greeted by a symphony of light and nature. Large glass panels and a skylight above the staircase flood the space with sunshine, reducing the need for daytime lighting. This not only saves energy, but creates a beautiful play of light that connects you to the outdoors. But SkyGarden House takes things a step further. Strategic greenery outside bedrooms and bathrooms acts as natural air filters, while the rooftop transforms into a cool, green paradise. Picture waking up to a vibrant garden right outside your window, a personal oasis in the heart of the city. Glass plays a key role in SkyGarden House. It creates a seamless connection between the interior and exterior, blurring the lines and fostering a sense of openness. However, glass can trap heat. The architects cleverly addressed this by using multi-layered glass with air gaps in between. This allows for natural ventilation, keeping the house cool and comfortable. Stepping outside the house, we find a refreshing surprise: a pool surrounding the living area. This adds a touch of luxury while also helping to cool the interior on hot days. Inside, the minimalist design with warm tones creates a feeling of coziness and sophistication. Every element is carefully chosen to maximize functionality and create a sense of spaciousness. SkyGarden House is more than just a beautiful home. It's a symbol of sustainable living in a crowded urban environment. From its clever use of glass for natural light and ventilation to its lush rooftop garden, this house prioritizes energy efficiency and environmental responsibility. SkyGarden House is a testament to the power of innovative design. It proves that even in a bustling city, you can create a haven that seamlessly blends modern living with the tranquility of nature. Perhaps SkyGarden House can inspire a new wave of architecture, one that embraces nature and fosters a healthier, greener future for our cities.